Hi, my name is Mark. I'm the founder of Get Fit, specialists in far infrared therapy. Now, just as an introduction, far infrared actually is light. It's an invisible frequency of light. When you send light into the cells of the body, it gives you the possibility of cleansing the cells, flushing them with light, but also when you send light into the cells of the body, it's the purest form of energy that the body can use, which means that if there's cell damage, that the cells can be stimulated to start repairing and healing. So two takeaways, simple takeaways from far infrared therapy that are really huge. Number one is a cleansing effect, literally flushing the cells with light enables you to clear out any metals, chemicals, pesticides or toxins that may have accumulated in the cells. That's really crucial in this modern age. And of course, the second benefit is that if the cells are damaged, which often they are, because there's contaminants in the cells, when you send light into the cells, it can trigger repair of those cells. That is very significant for our overall health and well-being. Anyway, that's all for today. Click on the link below. Please feel free to download our far infrared guide, and that will give you further information on far infrared. Anyway, thank you very much. Bye.